Okay, so here we are in Bedfordshire, in Luton, Bedfordshire. I'm here getting a key cut for my car. Here, I'm here. My key broke, so I'm at this place here getting a key. Jesus, you can't imagine these guys making a key for a Lexus. And I'm telling you, these guys, you see the machine that they have in there working with. Jesus, I'm telling you, man, these guys are good. These guys are good. Lexus ain't got nothing on them. I'm telling you. And these keys are being cut by lasers. They have some laser keys cutting it inside here. And I'm telling you, wow, if you see the work. So yes, while we are here waiting for the key to be cut, I'm just taking a little step right outside. I'm right there anyway, and I'm telling you, it's so blazing hot outside here. You see outside, all the sun shining. It is so hot today, Monday the 6th of October 2025. Like I said, I don't know if it is cowboys, if it is Indian summer or cowboy summer, but I'm telling you that it is blazing hot, and the time is now something what, 2:45. Let's see what time it is. The time is 3:35. 3:35 p.m. and the sun is so hot. Yeah, look at that lady. So she got on tank top. She got on tank top. Monday, October the 6th, 2025. And I'm here in Luton, and I'm telling you, it is blazing hot. And I'm also trying out this new GoPro 13 camera that I bought over the weekend. Yeah, so there's a lot of features on this camera, but I'm telling you, I am trying it out to see how it is, because I upgrade from the one I had up to this one. So the other one is still at home. Yeah, it's still available, but I had to I need to upgrade to the because of the stabilization. Well, mine was stable enough, but like I said, I don't edit, so it wasn't a problem to me, you know. So yeah, this is it, my new GoPro 13 camera. I'm trying it out today, and it looked pretty good so far. Yeah, so while I wait on these guys there, they're making sure the keys can open the trunk of the vehicle. They're making sure it can open the doors. If you don't have to use the remote, they're making sure of everything, and it's all laser done. Wow. If I had the equipment and the stuff that I see them having there to do them laser cut and stuff like that, I would be making money. Yeah, and that's the name of them, is Martin Minute, M-I-N-I-T, Auto Locksmith. That's them right there, Martin Minute Auto Locksmith. How are you? You finished? Check everything is working fine. All right, let me make sure everything is working fine. He said to check and make sure everything is working fine. So Bob, yes, it's locked. Open, check, open the boot, open the trunk. Yeah, it opened the trunk. So all right, so let's check and see if it opened the door too as well. You know, when you don't have to use the remote. Yep, lock the door, open the door. seems to be working perfect. Seems to be working perfect. Yes. Everything is working fine. So let's go pay these guys. I'm gonna pause and pay these guys. Just 1 minute.